Imagine standing in Bonifacio Global City, and suddenly you're face to face with someone in Europe. No app, no headset, no video call. Just a giant portal, live, real-time, and open to the world. This is not science fiction. This is happening right now in Manila. What you're seeing, on the 21st of January 2026, Bonifacio Global City quietly became part of a global experiment. Right along Fifth Avenue, in Bonifacio High Street, stands a massive circular structure, futuristic, minimal, and impossible to ignore. It's called the BGC Portal, Asia's very first real-time digital gateway to other cities around the world. What exactly is the BGC Portal? The BGC Portal is a large interactive art installation that works like a digital window between cities. Inside the structure are high-definition cameras and massive LED screens running 24/7 live streams. People walking in BGC can see, wave, and interact with people thousands of kilometers away in real time. No audio, no filters, no scripts, just raw, human presence shared across continents. Global connections. Right now, the BGC Portal connects Manila to cities across Europe and North America, including Vilnius, Lithuania, Lublin, Poland, Dublin, Ireland, Philadelphia, USA, Ipswich, United Kingdom, and more cities are already planned, including Piauí, Brazil. This means a casual walk in BGC could suddenly turn into a moment of cultural exchange with someone on the other side of the planet. Who created this and why? The project was founded by Benedictus Gailis, creator of the Portals organization. The idea is simple but powerful. In a world dominated by screens and algorithms, the portal brings back direct human connection. No profiles, no comments, no likes, just people seeing people. Why BGC was chosen? BGC wasn't chosen by accident. It's one of the most modern, walkable, and art-friendly districts in Southeast Asia, known for innovation, public spaces, and global openness. Placing Asia's first portal in BGC sends a clear message. Manila is ready to connect with the world not just digitally, but humanly. Final thought. The BGC Portal isn't just an artwork. It's a statement that even in a divided world, connection can still be simple, spontaneous, and human. If you've seen it in person or plan to comment below, and if you want more stories about the future of cities, infrastructure, and culture, subscribe, because Manila's future is already unfolding live.